Hello girls and boys, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night. Apologies for the lack of videos. I know it's been a while, but I've been getting some treatment for lymphoma, so it's gone well. Really pleased with that, and I'd like to thank all the doctors and nurses at lab at Royal Infirmary because I feel fantastic. So regarding the pickup, the interior's all arrived, the seat covers and all the carpets and stuff, so with that to do as well. With the Escort just now, I've managed to get it on the jig. Now I do have a new phone and I've lost a lot of footage, so I'll show you later on in the video, what's been going on. So today I'm going to start on the rear skids for the spring hangers. I do have them on. I've got one more to go on yet, so we'll get that all prepared just now, and then we'll start getting it back on the car. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Right, there we go. That's it all punched out, all drilled, dressed. I've painted it inside that as well, so that's ready to go on there. So we'll fit it on just now. Right, so that's it. It's all in. Both sides are all done now. It's just one more, a bit more dressing up to do, and that's it. So as you can see, I've got the stitch welds in as well, as well as the plug welds through the floor onto the chassis too. So yeah, it's coming on. It's looking good. So hopefully next time we can see some more work getting done to the Escort, and also at some point we'll start putting the interior in the mini pickup as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again next week. Bye for now. Bye.